Simply the best in Ipoh, smiley face emoji. I think I have benefited from Jason's hospitality for many times, and his homestay is always stylish and comfortable. Definitely my go-to host whenever I pay a visit back to my hometown. Excellent choice. You won't regret it. Near to all the eatery and luwang chicken rice plus Ipoh parade as well. Great condo facilities. Clean and modern. I will sure be back to this property when I'm in Ipoh. Second visit there and we'll be back. Love the concept and the hospitality by the owner. My kids don't want to leave, lol. Modern concept accommodation, suitable for families. Excellent concept for an accommodation. Love the projectors and Chromecast. Definitely will book again. Recommended for families with young children. Short getaway. We enjoyed the apartment. It's clean, comfortable and beautiful. The owner is very helpful and responsive. Self-check-in process is easy. The location is awesome. It's 5-minute walk to the famous chicken and bean sprouts restaurants, recommended food stalls like Tuck Key, Funny Mountain Bean Curd etc. There are many confectionaries that sell freshly baked Tau Sarfia, Lotus Bean Biscuits, Kaya Puffs etc. The famous Dim Sum restaurants are just 10 minutes walk away. It's about 20-minute walk to Concubine Lane too. We love the decor. The owner was really friendly and informative. We love the apartment. The view is great. It was safe and close to local restaurant. Maybe if the mattress was newer it would be an excellent stay. Overall, it was a great stay. Nice location and cozy stay. Like the furniture and deco for the unit. Can relax and enjoy movie from projector at the end of the day. Group stay friendly, have 2 parking lots, and no hassle looking for food, only 5 to 10 minutes walking to the famous Bean Sprouts chicken restaurants. Regret that we only had a short stay, but definitely will come again for the infinity pool and enjoy night view at the rooftop. Enjoyable stay. Thank you Jason for your good hospitality. The house is spacious with all the needs catered for, even equipped with a high chair and a laundry basket. Good. Location is very convenient. The house owner is very friendly.